We'll guide you through how to download DaVinci Resolve for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in DaVinci Resolve free download and hit enter. You should see the official Blackmagic Design website as one of the top results. Click on that link to ensure you're downloading from the official source. Once you're on the Blackmagic Design website, navigate to the support section at the top menu. Here, you'll find a section specifically for DaVinci Resolve. Scroll down until you see the latest downloads section. You'll notice options for different operating systems, so choose either Windows, macOS, or Linux, depending on your computer. Click on the correct button for your system, and a form will pop up. You'll need to fill out some basic information like your name, email address, and country. After you've filled in your details, click the Register and Download button. This will start downloading the DaVinci Resolve installer file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. You might need to accept the license agreement and choose your installation preferences. After the installation is complete, you can launch DaVinci Resolve from your Applications or Start menu. A quick tip: make sure your computer meets the system requirements for DaVinci Resolve to ensure smooth performance. And that's it. You're all set to start editing your videos with DaVinci Resolve for free. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.